If you're still using a regular air fryer and not one of these, it's 2025. It's time to get a glass air fryer and stop using those non-stick Teflon air fryers. They are so bad for you. Luckily, Granitestone decided to have a massive sale on this thing, and it's less than 100 bucks. And you don't even have to go with that fancy one from that company that rhymes with ginger. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. That costs like double the price, and this is double the size for half the price. Now, the only acceptable excuse is that you just didn't know what you were doing was wrong, and that's okay. But after watching this video, now you know this is the superior way to fry your foods. This Granitestone air fryer comes with the top right here, which cooks everything from poultry to French fries to onion rings to chicken to anything you can think of that deserves to be fried. You get your stainless steel fry basket right here. You get a lifted rack right here, and you get a flat rack for the bottom. You also get both of their tongs, so that way you can get these racks out of the dish. And then the dish itself is a massive 16-quart glass dish. This is fantastic. And you get your base right here. When all put together, you can cook multiple layers of food, all with the same machine, which, to be honest with you, is really nice. So after watching this video, if you still decide not to get you one of these and still cook with the Teflon ones, I ain't gonna be mad at you, but I might judge you. I'm totally kidding. These are fantastic. And if you want one for yourself, I'm gonna leave a link right down here in the bottom left-hand corner so you can go pick them up. Like I said, they're on a massive sale, and right now you can snag these things for less than $100. That's insane.